it's Tony, you're in Pop Pop's workshop, and we are testing the final product that we got from Boeshield. This is their rust and corrosion protection and waterproof lubrication. So we've been working on our drill press tabletop, and let's see how we're going to apply this. Okay, so we're going to get ready to put the rust and corrosion protection from Boeshield on here. There's the can that they sent, and it says that it's a superior lubricant and protectant. Unique combination of ingredients designed to penetrate and displace moisture, then leave a thin waxy film, which would be great in the shop for smooth functioning of running lumber through the table saw, getting a good clean surface. It's Iowa. Again, we're going to have so much humidity in the next month that I want to really have cleaned it. I want to keep it clean. And the tools it says to use it on: saw tabletops, lathes and bits, hand tools. Again, all the things that we're going to use in the shop. And the directions for use: spray on and allow to dry. Drying time can vary based on conditions. For a lighter film and faster drying, wipe off the excess coating. So, not coasting, coating. So we're going to go ahead and get this done. But before I do it, I've cleaned this little tabletop a little bit. But I'm just going to take a couple extra minutes with some 320 sandpaper, and I'm going to just kind of sand this down to get as clean a surface as I possibly can for the best results with the product. So we're going to get to that. All right, so got my RZ mask, link in the bio if you want one. And we've got our exhaust fan here for cleaning the air right here by us. Got our sandpaper, so we're going to get to making this as clean as I can with what I've got. All right, so we got that cleaned, and you'll notice the rag is kind of black. It is not brown rusty. So I have actually sanded that and successfully gotten down to pretty much the cast iron. Feels good and smooth. So now we're going to throw on our mask and spray this on there at light coat and then buff it off. All right, got our clean rag, got our Boeshield. Here we go. All right, heavier coat than they intended. Let that sit there for a second. All right, so a little extra cleaning on my part because I really wanted to get this surface as good as possible. And since this was a Facebook Marketplace buy and this was really just covered in rust, and now it is silky smooth. Wish we had Feel-O-Vision because this thing is silky smooth. So very happy with the product. Everything was easy to use. Even sent, along with the can, you get a little straw for those tighter applications. Maybe you got some rusty bolts or something on a piece of machinery. There's, this thing here, I'll probably, apply some of that lubrication in there to make it work a little bit easier, as it doesn't work the easiest right now, but that's for another time. But this is getting used throughout the whole shop. I've got some surfaces that this is going to go on. So very happy with the product. And how did it work? It went on great. How's it going to work over time? Well, as I said before, it's Iowa corn drying season, thousands of gallons of water in the air over the next couple of months. With that being said, we'll see how well this does. Probably November or December, I should know if all that extra moisture in the air has done anything in here. I don't have a dehumidifier in the shop, so it's going to be what it is, and we'll just see how that held out. But if you're really curious whether you should use this in your shop, I was wearing my Boeshield shirt that they sent. Thank you very much, Boeshield. Excellent shirt. Very comfortable. At the Handworks event in Amana, Iowa this past weekend. And as I'm sitting at a table, I had somebody holler out, "Hey, cool shirt." I turn around and there's a couple walking by, and they're saying, how do you like the stuff? And I said, I love the stuff so far. And they have a bike shop in Ohio. I wish I'd gotten their name so I could tag them in the video, but if you happen to see it and you know who you are, thanks for the shout out. They said every event they went in their industry, Boeshield was there, but they didn't have to do anything other than lay out samples of what their product does and how it protects over months, years. And they said it's a big hit in the bicycle industry. So their testimonial convinced me that I'm putting the right stuff on my shop products. So hopefully that's something for you to think about. And we really appreciate Boeshield sending us these products to test out. We appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. It's meant a lot to us. Very encouraging for our channel. Got some growth out of it, and we're very appreciative. So hopefully you're finding new products or useful products in your shop that are going to make it easier for you to protect your equipment and to use it more effectively. And remember, you can do this.